So far we have seen comparative statement problems, and up to yesterday we have seen the common size statement problem. We have seen the two methods, and we are going to see today the third method, trend analysis. Third and the last method given in the book, trend analysis. In this trend analysis, what we must do? The trend of a particular item is analyzed. The trend of a particular item is analyzed, and that is why the formula for this is item-wise calculation. It is in this we calculate item-wise. What should be the formula for this? 100 by first item, first number, into other numbers. This is the formula coined by me, and you should remember 100 by first item, first number, into other number. What we should do? The first one, as usual, we shall write trend analysis for this question number 5. Trend analysis of Kala Limited. Kala Limited. Kala Limited. For this, what is given? Particulars. (15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18). 3 years. (16, 17, 17, 18). This is 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. And the next one, it is given in thousands. So we can start with this. The first column, particulars. Then the next column, in the problem it is given in thousands. If it is in lakhs, we can write in lakhs. If it is in thousands we can write. If it is in crores, we can write in crores. In this problem, the instruction is given, it is in thousands. So 15, 16, 16, 17, 2015, 16, 2016, 17, 2017, 18. And for this, we can write the particulars given. And what we must write For these 3 years, we should calculate the trend percentage also. 3 more columns for this. One, two, and the third column. The same 2015-16, 2016-17, 2017-18. This is trend percentage. Trend percentage. This is the column for almost doing all the problems under this third method, trend analysis. So we shall write the values given here. What are the values given for the particulars column? Revenue from operations. Revenue from operations 400, 500, 600. 500, 600. The second one, other income. We should add as usual in other methods. Other income 100, 150, 200. Then, if you add this will be total revenue. Total revenue 500, 650, 800. Then less expenses. That what we have done in other 2 types also. Less expenses 200, 290, 350. This is. Yes. Profit before tax we should write, or we can write simply profit even. Profit before tax, or simply, since the tax is not given in this problem, we can write simply the profit. From the total income, we can minus the expense. 500 minus 200, 300. 650 minus 290, 360. And here 15 and 450. This is profit. For all this, we should find the percentage. We should find the percentage. How we should find? For that only we are using this formula. We are using this formula for that only. You should remember. What do they mean? Here what is compared? The income of 1 year is compared with that of the other year. Income of 1 year is compared with that of the other year item wise. What do we mean by item wise? If we take revenue from operations, this is one item. Then other income, next item. Total revenue, next item. Expenses, next item. Profit, the next item. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 items for calculation. 1, though 3 items are given in the book, we will have to calculate the trend analysis for 5 items. Okay, right. How to find? We should use the formula for this. 100 by first item, first number. With this we should compare all this. 400, 100 by 400 into the other number. The first one will be 400, therefore we will write it here 100. 100 by 400 into the same number, 100. This is what is given in the first one, 16, 17. The first one is 100%. So into the same 400. Then for the second year, for the first item, second year, 100 by 400 into 500. 100 by 400 into 600. This is what you will have to calculate for the first item. That is item wise we are calculating. This is 100, and if you simplify this to zeros, 25 fours, 5 into 25, 125, and if you simplify this to zeros, here this is 25, 6 into 25, 150. You should write like that. Therefore, 100, 125 and 150. This is the trend percentage. Then for the second item, item wise we are comparing. See what I have written. 100 by the first item. In the second one, first item. 100 into the number is 100 for the first one. Or else we need not find for the first item, we can write simply 100. For all this we can write 100. We can reduce the space. For the first item, 100. Why you know, for this 100 by the number is 100, we are finding for other number, that is 100. So we will get 100 by 100, we will get 100. From the second year onwards, we can find. For the first year, we can write simply 100. So for the second one, I start from the second. 100 by first item, first number what? 100 into what it is? 150. We can simplify and write this is 150. Then for the third number 17, 18, we can write it here 150. For the third one, 100 by the first item, first number. In this first number 100, then into 200, which is equal to 200. So 150, 200. The third one for the first year we have written 100. Regarding the third case, the 100 by first item, first number. This is 100 by 500 into, what is the next number? Other number 650, which is equal to 2 zeros cancel, 5, 13, 130%. This 130% you can write. Then the next one, 100 by 500 into the other number, what it is, 800, which is equal to 160%. This is 160. Then the next one, 4. 100 by 200 into 200, 100. And the second number, 100 by 200, first number, into 290. 290. This is equal to, if you simplify this to 290 by 2, 145. 145. Then 100 by 200 into, after 290, this item is 350. This 1 by 2 of 350, 175. And for 5, this is 175 percentage. And profits, the first one for 5, 300, that is 100 by first item, first number, 300 into, what is the number, 360, equal to 1 by 3, if you simplify this, 120. This is 120%. And the next number, the same, 100 by first item, first number, into, the next one is, fifth one, 300, then we have taken 360, then it is 450. This is equal to 150. This is the problem. You should understand the problem, what is asked, and I should remind you once again what we have done actually. In this, what you should remember, it is coming under the method trend analysis. What trend is compared here, you should remember. See, the revenue of 1 year is compared with that of the other years. So the first item is compared and it is given in percentage. How the percentage is, whether it is in increasing trend or decreasing trend. Here, this revenue from all the other operations is increasing, and other income is also increasing. Total revenue, once these two are increasing, the total revenue, total income will also increase. That means it is given in terms of percentage. That first year 100, second year 125%, third year 150%. Other income, first year 100, then second year 150%, the third year 200%. So the other income has been doubled during the last year. Okay, this 1.5 times it has been increased, and this shows the trend of the business. Every year it is increased. Then expenses, regarding expense, first year 100%, second year 145%, the third year 175%. Therefore, the expenses also is increasing every year. And what about profit? First year 300, second year 360, 450. Therefore, first year 100%, second year 120%, third year 150%. This is also, the profit is also in increasing trend. So for this, to find this percentage, trend percentage, first year you write automatically 100 for whatever the problem it is. Because you are going to write that number into the same number, therefore you will get 100. Okay, right. What does this formula mean? Here we are comparing each and every item. Not this item with this item with this. No, not like that. No comparison like that. Only here the particular item is compared with that of the other years. The revenue operation எடுத்துட்டா அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்ல என்ன இருக்கு, செகண்ட் இயர்ல என்ன இருக்கு, தேர்ட் இயர்ல என்ன இருக்குன்னு அதை மட்டும் தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோம், அந்த ட்ரெண்ட் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். We are not coming to the next slide. Every item is compared separately, தனித்தனியா. Other income na first year level, second year level, third year. Likewise we are doing. Therefore, that is why I have written the formula 100 by that item. If you take this item, this revenue from operations by 100. If you take other income, 100 by this 100. Then if you take this total revenue, 100 by 500. Then if you take these expenses, 100 by the first number, 200. If you take this profit, 100 by 300. For the first year, we are writing 100. For the second year, the first year formula into 500 into 500 into 600. Then the second one, this formula 100 by 100 into 150 into 200. Then third item formula 100 by 500 into 650, 100 by 500 into 800. This is. Then for profit or expenses, 100 by 200. This is the first item. First item, first number. So first number by 100 by first number into other numbers into 290. 100 by 200 into 350. The same thing for profit also. 100 by 300 into, here it is, 360 for the second year. 100 by 300 into 450 for third year. And if you write all these things, this is the trend percentage. You should bear in mind, remember the formula and be thorough with that. Once you are learning all the three methods, and you should remember that the percentages are given here, and you should understand and do. 175 profit before tax 150. Okay. We shall pass on to the next problem, number 13. The trend analysis of Kavita Limited. Kavita Limited. In this problem also, the same 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18 in thousands only given. Therefore, I reuse the columns for this problem also. Only the figures are different, and one more item is added for this. And what are the informations given in 13? Revenue from operations in thousands, 100, 125, 150. Then other income 20, 25, 30, and expenses 100, 120, and 80. The other things we should find, and we can do the rest of the problems. And income tax we should find less. Income tax at the rate of 30%. This is an additional work what we must do, and the seventh item, we must find the profit after income tax. This is profit before income tax. So with all this, we must find the percentage. Totally there are 7 items. What we are going to do now. Listen, before going to find the percentage, there are some incomplete stages what we should keep ready first. Total revenue from operations given, other income given, therefore total revenue. For total revenue, we should add these two, 100 plus 20, 120. 125 plus 25, 150, 150 plus 30, 180. Okay? And we should less expenses. 120 minus 100, this is 20. 150 minus 120, that is 30. 180 minus 80, it is 100. For this, we should less the income tax at 30%. And what is this? 20 into 30%, 30 by 100. The next one, 30 into 30 by 100. And the fourth one, 20, 30 and 100. 100 into 30 by 100. That we can find the income tax. 2 zeros, cancel 2 into 3, 6. And here 2 zeros, cancel 3 into 3, 9. Here 100 cancel, therefore 30. So what we must write for income tax? 6, 9 and 30. I hope you have understood the calculation. See, 30% income tax on the profits before tax. So 30%, 20 into 30 by 100. For 30 rupees profit, 30 into 30 by 100. You should remember all these are in thousands. This is 20,000, 30,000, this is 100,000, it means 1 lakh. So there also for the first year 6,000, 9,000 and 30,000, 30. Okay, right. So 30 into 30 by 100. Then the third year 100 into 30 by 100. So these are all the amounts, and from the profit the income tax is paid. After paying the income tax, what is the excess profit? That is profit after income tax. This is 14,000. This is 21,000. this is 70,000. So these are all the 7 items for which we have calculated and keep the figures as it is. Now our intention is to find the percentage for these years. Generally the first year we are taking this as 100. For 15, 16 it is 100. You need not calculate, you can write simply for this trend analysis. It is 100, 100, 100. For these 2 years only, for the 7 items we must find now. For the first item, 1, what is the formula? 100 by the first item, what it is here? 100 into 125. The same thing for this third year also. The same 100 by 100 into 150. Find the percentage and write this is 125, this is 150. Because the numerator and denominator both are 100, cancel each other. Therefore, 125, 150. Then go to the second item. This first one is over. Second item. What is in second? 100 by the first number, 20. Then the next one into 25. 100 by 20 into 30, the next number. You find it 5 times. 100 by 20, 5 times 5 into 25, 125. Then 100 by 20 into 30, 30. This is 5 into 30, 150. The same 125, 150. Because the figures are like that. Don't think the same number will come. The next one, you see, the third one. Second is 4. Third one, 100 by the first number. Third, 120 into this next other numbers. 151, the same 100 by 120 into 180. You should calculate and find. See, here you can simplify the zeros, 1 0, 2 zeros. Here only 1 0, 100 you keep as it is. Then 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. If you simplify this 125, then 125. Here, this is the 2 times 60, 3 times 60. If you simplify this, 50, 3 into 50, 150. So, 125, 150. The third item is over. Then, the fourth item, expenses. 100 as per formula, 100 by first item, first number, that is 100. Into, what is the next number? 120 into 120. For the next number also, 100 by 100 into 80. You can write this is 120, 100, 100 cancel. Here 100, 100 cancel, 80. 120, 80. The fourth item is over. Then 5. This is the fifth item. 100 by 20 into the second number, 30. Then 100 by 20 into the next number is what? 100. This is equal to 100 by 20 into 30, 100 by 20 into 100. This one. That is our profit before income tax. You simplify and write. If you simplify, this is 5 into 30, 150. Here, if you simplify this, 520 is 100, 5 into 100, 500. 150, 500. Profit before this 150, 500. Right. Then the next one, income tax. What is the percentage of income tax? For want of space, I shall do the calculations here. 6 to 1. 6. 100 by 6 into 9. 100 by 6 into 30. We should calculate and write. Because for the first year we have written everything 100. 100 by 6 into 9. You simplify. This is 3. This is 2. 2 if you simplify 50. 3 into 50. 150. Then 5, 6 or 30. 5 into 100. 500. 150. 500. Then profit after income tax, 7th item. 100 by first number, 100 by first number 14 into 21. 100 by 14 into 70. Then the same thing here. 2 sevens, 3 sevens, 2 and 50s are cancelled. 3 into 50, 150. Here 5 times 5 into 100, 500. 150, 500. How the trend is in the business of Kavita Limited, that is given here in this problem. See, regarding revenue from operation increasing 16, 17, 100, then 125, 150. Here also 100, 125, 150. 100, 125, 150. Increasing trend only. Only for expenses. First year 100, second year is increasing, third year is decreasing. Third year is decreasing. Bear it in mind. This is the trend percentage. And the fifth item, profit before income tax. First year 500, first year 100, second year 150%, third year 500%. Then what should be the income tax? First year it is 100%, second year 150%, third year 500% because the profit has been increased. 30,000 it is, therefore 500%. And profit after income tax, it is minus, therefore here for 1400, for 21 this is 150, for 70 500. See, it is given. This is of the items of the same nature are compared with the first year. With the first year, the second year is compared. With the first year, the third year is compared. That's all. This is coming under trend. That is how the trend is changing. The business trend increase agada, decrease agada. That shows this method of calculating and the trend analysis. This is problem number 14. The same year 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18 the same, but the figures are different. Income tax bracket is different. That is the percentage of income tax is different. So we will do this problem also. Yes, now we shall see the particulars given the same in thousands. All the three problems 12, 13, 14 are given. The particulars are given in thousands. Therefore, revenue from operations 300, 270, 150. In other problems there was increasing trend. Here in this problem there is a decreasing trend. Other income also, in other income it is increasing trend 20, 25 and 300, 270, 150, 50, 80, 50, 80, 60. Then expenses 250, 200, 250, 200, 125, 125. Other expenses, income tax at the rate of 40%. Yes, so this is the data available in this. For all the 3 years only 40%. We shall see now what are the percentages. Before going to find the percentages, we should fill up some data. Total revenue 300 plus 50, 350. 270 plus 80, 350. 150 plus 60, 210. This is. Then less expenses, minus it, 350 minus 250, 100. 350 minus 200, 150. 210 minus 125, this is 85. 85. We should calculate now for the profit at the rate of 40%. So the first case, analysis of Kumar Limited. Kumar Limited, I used the name. Okay, now we shall calculate the income tax amount. So what? The first one, first year profit 100. So 100 into 40 by 100 because it is 40%. It is 40. Then second year 150 into 40 by 100 for 150,000. Then this is 250, this is 350, 23 into 20, 60 rupees. Then 85 into 40 by 100. In this case, this is 2 20s, 5 20s. If you simplify this 17 times, 2 into 17, 34. 34,000 rupees. So 40, 60, 34. This is the income tax. So from the total revenue we minus the expenses to find the profit. வருமானத்திலிருந்து செலவு கழிச்சோம், profit கிடைச்சது. இந்த profitலிருந்து we minus the income tax. After calculating the income tax, we should minus. Then what we can find, finally what profit is rest with the Kumar Limited. Taxum கட்டினதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன profit இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். 100 minus 40, 60. 150 minus 60, it is 90. 85 minus 34, 5 minus 4, 1. 8 minus 5, 3, 5. Right. This is the amount of profit. This 60,000 first year, 90,000 second year, third year 51,000. This is the profit. Now we should calculate the percentage. In trend analysis for the first year, I said this is easy, 100, because 100 by 300 into 300, you will get 100 only. The same thing, 50 by 100 by 50 into 50, you will get 100. So, for in trend analysis, first year, whatever the item it is, you can write blindly 100% in percentage. You should find only for the second year and the third year. So for the first item, 100 by 300 into 270. 100 by 300 into 150. This is 150. The first case is over. Then the second one, the first is 100. Then in the second case, you can simplify and write even. This is 10, 10, 10, another 0. 9 3s are 27. 9 into 10, 90. Then here 1/3 of 150, 50. So 90%, 50%. Right. Then for other income, second item, 100 by the first number, 50 into 80. 100 by 50 into the next number, 60. You simplify and write 2 into 80, 160. 2 into 60, 120. So 160%, 120%. The second case is over. Regarding the third case, 100 by the first number, 350 into the same 350, which is equal to 100. 100 by 350 into this 210. This is equal to 2 by 7, 32 into 30, 60%. So in third case, 100% and 60%. Regarding the fourth one, 100 by 250 into the second number, 200. 100 by 250 into the third number, 125. Find the percentage and write. This is 5 times this is 450, by 2 in 20 it is 4 into 20, 80. Here 2 times it is 100 by 2, 50. So 80%, 50%. Then for the fifth item, 100 by fifth item, 100 by the first number is also 100 into 150. Then the same 100 by 100 into 85. 100 cancels, 150, 100 cancels, 85. 150, 85. Then point number 6. 100 by this 40 into the second number 60. 100 by 40 into the third number 34. Now we should calculate and write the percentage. Here 3 by 2, 50, 3 into 50, 150. And for 34, this is 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 17, 5 into 17, 85. So it is 150, 85. 150, 85. We got the same percentage. Then profit after income tax, the seventh point. 100 by 60 for second year, 100 by 60 for third year. 100 by 60 into 90. 100 by 60 into 51. You can simplify 3 by 2, 50, 150. This is also 5 by 3. 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 3 simplified 17, 5 into 17, 85. Therefore, 150, 85. See here, revenue from operation, 100, 90, 50 decreasing trend. Other income is in increasing trend. On the whole, total revenue, first year and the second year no difference, third year decrease. Total revenue is decreasing. Regarding the expenses, first year 100, second year the expenses are decreased, then third year is further decreased. And the profit before tax, first year 100,000, second year 150,000, third year only 85,000. This is increasing one, this is decreasing one. Therefore, income tax, if we calculate income tax, what should be the percentage? First year 100, second year it is 150%, third year 85%. Profit after income tax, this we have calculated. First year 100, second year increasing, third year it is decreasing because the profit is also decreasing here. So in this, what you should learn, remember the formula what I have written. Here the item wise numbers are compared. If the first item, if we take, all the three numbers are compared with the top, the first one. Second, other income. First number is taken and it is compared with the second and the third year. Likewise for all the data given. We shall continue the rest of the problems in the next class.